Hi, boys and girls. So, today we are going to learn about two-dimensional shapes and what are the ways you can sort two-dimensional shapes. So, first, I would like to tell you there are many kinds of two-dimensional shape, but we are going to focus this time on square, circles, triangles, and rectangles. Okay. So, we are going to talk about the sides and vertices of these two-dimensional shapes. So, what are the sides and what are the vertices? I will explain it to you now. Um, these these triangles have three sides. How many sides? Three sides. It starts from this point. One, two, three sides, and the point where it joins the two sides is called vertices. It's called vertices. So let's see the vertices. So the joining point, this is the joining point, and from here the vertices, this is called vertices. This part where it is getting joined is called vertices. And how many sides do you see in a triangle? How many sides do you see in a triangle? Let's count. One, two, three. How many sides? Three sides in the triangle. And we have rectangles, squares. Squares are the special kind of rectangles. It has four sides and four sides are same. Rectangles have four sides too, but not all the sides are same. Two sides are same. Can you see? These are long ones and this is the short one. So two sides are same. Only two sides are same. In square, all the sides are same in the length. Now, the point where the two sides meet is called vertices. Now, this is the vertices of the square. Can you see? This point is the vertices of the square, and this point is vertices of rectangle. So there are four vertices. One, two, three, and four. These are the four sides of vertices of rectangle and four vertices of square. One, two, three, four. I Now let's solve the exercise together. Since we know that there are three sides in the triangle. One, two, three. And let's count the squares and rectangles. One, two, three, four. Four sides for square. And let's count the vertices where it joins. One, two. The joining point of the two sides is called vertices. I'm repeating it again. So let's count it. One, two, three, four. Four for square. One, two, three, four. Four for rectangles. So how many sides are there? Four sides for rectangles and squares and four vertices. The joining point of the sides are called vertices. Four vertices for rectangles and squares. And circles are curved shapes. They do not have sides or vertices. It goes on and on and on. They do not have any joining point. They do not have any sides. So it's curved. Circles are curved. Now let's do the exercise of the following. Read the sorting rules. Circle the shapes that follow the rule. Four vertices. Which shapes have four vertices? So let's count. One, two, three, four. Let's cut it out. Four. Now, which shape? Let's count this. Which shape is this? It's triangle. Does triangle have 4 vertices? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we will not cut this. So the joining point is called vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vertices. So let's make a circle over here. Yeah. So square. Even this is a square, and square has 4 vertices. So let's circle this square too. This is a triangle. It has 3 vertices, so we will not circle this. Now, question number 2 is not curved. Which shapes are not curved? Only one shape is curved, and that is circle. So rest all the shapes are not curved. So let's make circle on these shapes as they are not curved. Squares, triangles, rectangles are not curved, so we are going to make circles on these shapes. So these are not curved, only circles are curved shapes. Only 3 sides. The only shape which has 3 sides are triangles. Circles have no sides as it is curved, and rectangles and squares have 4 sides. So that's triangle who has 3 sides. So we will circle the triangle which has 3 sides only. So rest others are not 3 sides. More than 3 sides. The shape which are more than 3 sides are square and rectangles. Triangle is 3 sides. They are saying more than 3 sides. That is 4 sides. So square and rectangles are 4 sides. So it is more than 3 sides. Let's circle rectangles, squares, and squares. Ted sorted these shapes 3 different ways. Write sorting rules to tell how Ted sorted. So these are the shapes, and he sorted them in 3 different ways. As you can see, he sorted the small and the big triangle. So triangle. Question number 12, he sorted these shapes. Some are rectangles, some are squares. So 4 sides, you can also write 4 vertices. Now, these shapes are rectangle, square, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, square, square, triangle. These are not curved shapes. Only circle is a curved shape. Which shapes have more than 3 sides? More than 3 sides are actually rectangle, squares, and this is rhombus. So rhombus. So let's circle these shapes. This is more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. So we will not circle this. Let's circle the square. Let's circle the squares and rhombus.